Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts part 2 standard 12. Students, before starting this video, let you know till now what I completed and what we are going to teach today. Till now what we have completed, that is a long sum of 8 marks. Long sum of 8 marks means that sum it will be start from issue and it will be end to still reissue. Issue to reissue a long sum, like that sum we made practice. But instead of long sum, sometimes it may happen some short sums also, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Like that short sum also may come in the form of 8 marks. Page number 25, illustration number 9 of your textbook, page number 25, illustration number 9. See here, 4 short type of questions is given, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 marks questions, it may come all these 4, 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks, like that. So either it may come as a long sum or it may come in the short sum also. You have to make the practice for the long sum as well as the short sums also. Let you know what type of short sums is coming. I told you long sum means issue to reissue. Short sum, what they are telling, they will give the information to you and they will tell you to pass the entry for cancellations, reissue and transfer entry. Matlab, first, suppose if there are the 4 installments are there, application, allotment, first call and final call, and if the question comes from issue to reissue, you will get total 11 transactions. Several times I told you, each installment 2 entry plus last 3, 1 for the cancellations which is called the share forfeiture, 1 for the reissue and another for the transfer. So instead of telling to you to pass all journal from top to bottom, they will say the pass the last 3 journal only, and such type of information they will give. Like that sum will make you understand. Illustration 9, there are the 4 questions are there. Like that, illustration 10 also, it is given all 5 questions of page number 29. Page number 29 of in your textbook, illustration 10, you will get A, B, C, D, E. That also I will make you practice. First you come the illustration 9 of page number 25. Here they did not tell you to pass the journalities for forfeiture, reissue and transfer. Here they said only you pass the cancellation entry, means forfeiture entry only. So we will not pass the entry from the first, from the share application. We will pass only one entry according to the information whatever it is given in your book. Now let me read the question first. Page number 25, illustration number 9. I told you only we will give attention or we will collect the data for how much amount will come or how many shares will come only for passing this journal. M number 1. M Limited forfeited 600 equity shares of one shareholder Govind for non-payment of final call of rupees 3 per share. Company had called up rupees 10 per share as face value of shares from the shareholder. Govind had paid rupees 4 per share on applications and rupees 3 per share on allotment. Passed necessary journal entries for forfeiture of share. Forfeiture entry, what is called forfeiture entry, that you should know. Forfeiture entry is share capital account debit to share forfeiture to call area. Share capital account debit to share forfeiture to call area. Share capital account debit, how many shares? How many number of shares each company is going to cancel, multiply by their face value. So you have to collect the data, how many shares company is going to cancel? 600 shares. Company going to cancel 600 equity shares of one shareholder Govind for non-payment of final call, which is not paid. Not paid is rupees 3 per share, that is call area. That means 600 shares 3 rupees करके final call payment नहीं हुआ. And face value of the share it was 10. From that you can understand, out of this 10, if 3 is not paid means 7 is paid. That means the Govind has paid rupees 7 rupees. That is also it is given here. The Govind paid rupees 4 for application and 3 for allotment. That means Govind paid 4 rupees for applications, 3 rupees for allotment, and not paid 3 rupees for the final call of 600 share where a company is going to cancel. You have to collect the data. It will be very easy for you that how many shares each company is going to cancel. 600 shares. What is the face value? 10 rupees. And applications plus allotment plus first call and final call. This amount also you will write it here. It will be easy for you. Application it is 4 and allotment also it is 4 and final call it is 3. This is not paid. This is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 7. That means this 7 rupees is paid. 7 rupees is paid and 3 rupees is not paid. So now only we will pass the journal entries for forfeiture. Forfeiture entry it is coming, that one. Equity share capital account debits 600 into 10 is equal to 6000. To share forfeiture, to share first call it is given. Instead of writing here final call. Instead of writing here share final call, you can write here share calls in area also. This is two things are which is given. One is share forfeiture which is paid, paid by the shareholder, received by the company, and share final call that is rupees 600 into 3. 603 is not paid by the shareholder nor received by the company. So equity share capital account debit 600 into face value. To share forfeiture, to calls in area. To calls in area amount already you know 600 into 3 which is not paid, remaining for 6000 minus 1800 if you deduct, so you will get here 4200. Also in another way you can get how much company receives. Application 4 rupees and allotment 3 rupees. 7 rupees company received and 3 rupees company not received. Instead of share final call you can write here share calls in area also. This is question number 1. Let me read the question number 2. What is given in question number 2? That we will write it here. How many shares, what is the face value, what is the price of installment, like that it will be easy for you. N Limited forfeited 2400 equity shares. How many shares they issued they did not say, because they told to do only forfeiture entry. So we will pay attention only for that forfeiture entry, how many shares company is going to cancel. That point we will keep in mind. N Limited forfeited 2400 equity shares of rupees 10 each. From there I can understand face value was 10. Of Sri Prem Bhai for non-payment of rupees 2 per share on first call. फर्स्ट कॉल का 2 पर शेयर ऑन फर्स्ट कॉल, फर्स्ट कॉल में 2 रुपया करके वो पेमेंट नहीं दिया. एंड अमाउंट ऑफ 3 पर शेयर ऑन एप्लीकेशंस एंड 3 पर शेयर ऑन अलॉटमेंट इज रिसीव्ड बाय द कंपनी. कंपनी रिसीव्ड 3 rupees for application and 3 rupees for allotment and from Sri Prema Bhai. Company has called rupees 8 per share till date. Pass the journal entry in the journal entry for forfeiture of the share in the books of the company. You have to write the data. What data? How many shares company is going to cancel? 2000 shares. What was the face value? 10 rupees. Why up to how much company called? 8 rupees. This is the things. And applications, allotment, first call and final call. That also you can write it here. Final first call it is given, it is how much? 2 rupees. And application it is given how much? 4. And allotment how much it is given? 3. So 4 plus 3 is plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 2. That means this is 1 is equal to final call. Is not it? How much is given? Company called up to 2400 shares of rupees 10 each, and non-payment of 2 rupees for the share first call, and amount of 3 plus 3 plus 2. Achha, this is 3. Okay, this is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. This is 2, 10. So total you are getting 10 rupees. That you have to write it fast. It will be easy for you. Until and unless if you do not know these things, you will feel little hard. 2,400 shares, once again you pay attention, 2,400 shares company is going to cancel. Face value of share it was 10 rupees, but company called up to 8 rupees. Final call, before calling the final call, company cancel the shares, and 2,400 shares application money it is paid, allotment money it is paid, but first call it is not paid. So I told you only will going to pass the forfeiture entry. Forfeiture entry it is already you came to know. Share capital account debit to share forfeiture to call scenario. This is your forfeiture entry. But share capital account debit to share forfeiture to share call scenario or first call. Here previous sum you have multiplied by rupees 10, but this sum you cannot multiply by 10, you have to multiply up to 8, because last you are going to cancel your share after first call. So after first call means how much money you have called, only that much money will be multiplied by number of share, 3 plus 3 plus 2. This 2 rupees will not come, that will keep it in mind. If you going to cancel here, then 10 rupees will come. As you are going to cancel here, so you are getting 3 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 2,400 shares into 8, that is 19,200. To share forfeiture to call scenario, either you can write in first call or you can write in call scenario. But call scenario amount you know, 2,400 into 2. This amount you do not know, no problem. 2,400 into 2 is equal to 4,800. So 19,200 minus 4,800 is coming 14,400. That balance you can get. Or another way you can also get 2,400 and company 3 rupees plus 3 rupees, application and allotment. Application 3 rupees and allotment 3 rupees, 6 rupees. This is company received, this is company not received. This is total company called. Next, let me read the next one. Third one. Say what is the difference between the first one, second one and third one, that you have to keep in mind. Q Limited had called total 22 per share, including premium of rupees 12 per share. If I read up to this, I can say the face value it was 10, because 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. So Q Limited called 22 per share. Had called total 22 per share, including premium of rupees 12 per share from a shareholder, and Kinjal had paid rupees 15 per share, including premium of rupees 12 per share on applications. One shareholder whose name is Kinjal, she paid 15 rupees for applications, और एप्लीकेशन का साथ वो 12 रुपया प्रीमियम भी था, इंक्लूडिंग प्रीमियम ऑफ रुपीज 12. दैट मीन्स प्रीमियम अमाउंट वाज नॉट ड्यू. प्रीमियम अमाउंट ड्यू होता था तो कैंसिलेशन का टाइम प्रीमियम अकाउंट आता था, बट प्रीमियम अकाउंट विल नॉट कम एज प्रीमियम अमाउंट इज फुल्ली पेड और इट इज क्लियर. 12 rupees it is paid with the application. So application face value is how much? 3 rupees, because 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. And rupees 4 per share on allotment. So what is given it here? It is given Kinjal paid applications of 15 rupees and allotment of rupees 4 on 500 shares. And Kinjal failed to pay rupees 3 per share on the final call of 500 shares. So company forfeited her shares, pass the necessary journal entry in the books of the company of the forfeiture. See, the question is there. How many shares company is going to cancel? 500 shares of Kinjal. What is the face value? 10 rupees plus premium 12 rupees. Now applications, allotment, first call, final call is not there, I think so. Application how much is there? 15 rupees. This 15 is equal to 3 plus 12. Is not it? 3 rupees is the face value, 12 rupees is the premium. Allotment how much it is given? Allotment it is given 4. The 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 means this is 3, of course. Then only it will come 3 plus 4 7 plus 3 10. 10 means this is 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. This data you have to collect. Until and unless if you are not able to collect this data, it will be very difficult to pass the journal entries. Now journal entries every one of you know. Share capital account debit to share forfeiture to call scenario. which is paid, which is not paid, it is paid. This is paid and this is not paid. That means this is share forfeiture, this is call scenario. How many shares? 600 shares. And company, when company is going to cancel? Company is going to cancel at last because company called all. So let me read the next one, that is third one. We are going to cancel not 600, 500 shares. We are going to cancel 500 shares. Face value is 10 because company cancel after the last call. So it is coming 500 into 10, which is 5,000. To share forfeiture, to share a final call or call scenario. I told several times, either you can write call scenario or you can write final call. Call scenario means 500 shares 3 rupees करके नहीं दिया, बाकी 5,000 minus 1,500 is equal to 3,500. That also you can write it here. Question may come from your mind, sir, why the share premium account is not coming here? Why? Because share premium company collected with the application, full amount company receives. If it is due, not received, then it will come in here, which is there in the next one. Number 4. P Limited had issued shares of rupees 10 each at 50% premium. Next, number 4. The P Limited had issued of rupees 10 each at 50% premium. Company had called rupees 4 with applications, rupees 8 including premium. How much is the premium? 50% of rupees 10. 50% of 10 rupees is coming 5 rupees. And allotment ka sath 8 rupees. That means allotment face value is 3. 3 plus 5. This 8 is equal to 3 plus 5. So applications is 4. Allotment is 3. 7. Of course, the final call will be the 3. And rupees 3 on the first and final call. Shri Jigar, who holds 600 shares, paid only applications money to company. And company forfeited his shares after first and final call. Matlab after the last call. Only 3 calls are there. So after the last call, company forfeited his share. Now question is there, the 600 shares of Jigar, who paid only applications of rupees 4 and not paid the money from the allotment. And including this allotment, the premium was there. So premium amount is not clear, not paid by the shareholder or not received the company. So in this case, you have to keep it in mind when you are going to cancel or when you are going to pass the forfeiture entry, that time share premium account will come and it will come in the debit column. It is debit account. How many shares is company going to cancel? 600. What was the face value of these shares? 10 rupees. Plus premium how much? 5 rupees. Correct? Now applications, allotment and first and final call. Price you write it here. Applications how much? Application is 4. Allotment how much? 5. Not 8. 8. But this is 3 plus 5. Malab 3 is the face value and 5 is the premium. This 5 rupees. And here 3 plus 4, 7. 7 means this is 3. Is equal to total. Total how much you are getting? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 10. That is 10 plus 5. When company is going to cancel? At last, in this place. Company did not cancel after allotment. Company cancel after first call. Share premium amount was not clear. Share premium account will come. So up to that, which is paid, which is not paid, this is given. Which is paid, which is not paid. It is given. Jigar, who holds 600 share, paid only applications money to the company. Okay. Only application money is paid. This is paid. And which is not paid? This is not paid. 3 plus 3, 6 rupees plus 5 rupees. 11 rupees not paid. 3 rupees for the allotment, 3 rupees for the final call, 6 rupees plus 5 rupees for the premium. So 11 rupees not paid. How much paid? 4 rupees is paid. Now come to this point. Here, share capital account debit 600 into 10. 600 into 10 means face value. Security premium will come, I told, because security premium amount was not clear. How many security premium will come? 600 into 5. So share capital account debit 600 into 10, security premium account debit 600 into 5, 2 share forfeiture, 2 calls in area. These two account, allotment account and share first call and final call account, these two account is coming calls in area. Together also you can write, because from here you can understand that I told you that 11 rupees not paid, 6 plus 5 11. So these two account 11 rupees is coming, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. They said here 8 plus 3, I told it here 6 plus 5. How 8 plus 3? This 8 plus 3 is equal to 6. So these two account together you can write either in the call scenario, or you can write separately. One is the share allotment or another is the share first and final call. So share first and final call money of rupees 600 shares of rupees 3 not receipts. Allotment money 600 shares of rupees 8 not receipts. So instead of that you can write 2 share calls in area 4800 plus 1800 is equal to 6600. That together also you can write. And share forfeiture means which company received, that you know, 600 into 4, that is 2400. Like that sum you have to make practice. Next video from like this sum we will do from your exercise also you are having, because instead of long sum sometimes short sums also may come.